Welcome to the Techability Intro to Digital Art class. Today we're going to start out in Photoshop and learn a few things about how Photoshop works. First, let's start by clicking on the Create New button. This will bring up a brand new window with a bunch of selections, and we want to start with Web Large. If you don't see it on your screen, go up to the Web tab at the very top, click, and you should see Web Large as your second choice. This is the pretty standard size of canvases in Photoshop that we'll be working with. So we'll go ahead and hit the Create button and let Photoshop load up our blank scene. Let's look at a few things in Photoshop to get started. At the very top is the menu bar with File, Image, Edit, so on and so forth. The most important thing in this menu is the ability to save. If we click on File and go to Save, it will save the work we have done. We should do this every once in a while to make sure we don't lose all the progress we made. Next, on the left side is the toolbar. This is where all of the different tools are that we get to mess with and have fun with to create our photos, edit our photos, and create anything we can think of. The next thing is the options bar. The options bar will change based on what tool we selected. You can think of the options bar as an extension of the toolbar. For instance, when I click on the brush, you can see in the options bar I can change the size, the brush type, and anything I want to about the brush. Now let's go ahead and import one of the line art drawings provided to you. We'll click Open, go to our class material, and select one of the photos that we want to work with. We can see at the top that a new tab has been opened. Here's our original artboard that we created and our new line art drawing that we just opened. If you want to import the line art drawing onto the section that you already opened, we can go to File, Place Embedded, find the photo that we like, hit Place, and there it is. Now, let's explore one of the tools, the Brush tool. We're going to start by creating a new layer in the Layers panel on the right side of your screen. At the very bottom, there is a square with a little dot in it, and if you hold your mouse over it, it will say Create New Layer. If we click it, you can see that we get a brand new layer. Always remember that layers on top will always cover up layers below it. So now with our new layer selected, we can grab our paintbrush, we'll move down to the bottom of the toolbar, look for our color swatches, and double click. Here we can select whatever color we like by using the slider on the side and moving our mouse cursor to the color we like. Now using the brush tool, we can go ahead and try to paint in this character. If we need to, we can zoom in by using the zoom tool or holding Alt and scrolling your mouse wheel. Take some time now to paint in your character. If you need to, you can make your brush smaller to get into the smaller pieces, and you can change your brush type to get more effects. When you're all done, let your teacher know, and they can take a look at it and help you improve it even more.